Hey there, it's Hannah with WTI. And if you want a great charging stand that is a 3-in-1, you need to get this one from JARGOU. I really appreciate all of the design that has gone into this particular charging stand. Not only do I love this color green, but I really think that they have tried their best to make a really high quality product and they've knocked it out of the park. I love how I can hang my Apple Watch up and I can put my phone right next to it and it will charge all night long. And it has these anti-skid pads right on the bottom so I don't have to worry about my phone falling down. I really love how it also has these heat dispensation holes on the back because it keeps your phone or your watch from overheating. And I'm super excited that someday when I get myself some AirPods, I already have a place for them to charge on my nightstand. And it really has just cleaned up my side of the bed, and I love it. Charge all of your devices in one place with this great little charging stand from JARGOU. I think it is super high quality and I love it, and that's my point of view.